And when lymph nodes in nasopharyngeal carcinoma spreads down to the supraclavicular fossa, the prognosis is very bad. And from the 5th edition of AJCC and UICC staging, this is considered as N3 disease, the highest grade of lymph node involvement. So why should it be the case? What is the anatomical basis for such a classification? Now let's look at the lymph node drainage of the neck and try to understand lymph node metastasis and subsequent spread or metastatic disease to the other parts of the body. We know that, for instance, this patient with nasopharyngeal carcinoma, the drainage of lymph is downwards. And we can look at each level, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the level of lymph nodes and defense lines. These defensive lines, the lymph nodes, is try to filter out all the malignant cells. So if each level of malignant nodes involvement, as you go further down towards the supraclavicular fossa, it means that your defense lines and defense mechanism has been breached. When it comes down to lymph node involvement in the supraclavicular fossa, the next thing that happens is that the lymphatics containing the malignant cells will go into the thoracic duct. And from the thoracic duct, you know, it goes into the subclavian vein. And from there, the malignant cells will go to all parts of the body and the patient will have distant metastasis. So there's another important point to note. The lower the lymph nodes are involved in primary malignancy, the poorer is the prognosis and the more likely the disease is going to spread to other parts of the body because it may enter the thoracic duct, drain into the subclavian vein, and spread to perhaps the liver, the lungs, and the bones.